Namaste my sexy vegan friends. Are you ready for a winter warmer to blow your socks off? This curried vegan stew is amazing. First up, we're going to add some water to the pan, pop in our mixed spices. Full details will be below the video and available on my website. We give that a quick stir around. We add the onion and garlic and agitate that until it's absorbed all of this water. So as you can see in this clip, everything's all absorbed, our base is ready. Now let's sort out our beautiful vegetables. You will need 2 sweet potatoes, some organic carrots, 1 Swede and some kale. Chop it all up nice and rustic and get it in the pressure cooker. You will notice that I'm leaving the skins on all of my vegetables except for the Swede, and that is because these veg are super packed with nutrients. Really good for you, get some fibre and get some goodness in you. So now we're adding 1 pint of water to the mix. We're adding 200ml with cornflour to our base. Give that a good stir around to get all the flavours off of the pan, and into the pressure cooker it goes. There we go, pop the lid down, set the pressure cooker to sealing. We're going to be cooking this for 1 hour and 30 minutes on the high steam function. That's the first stage complete. We just give it a good stir around. All of that water will be absorbed into the broken up vegetables after we've added the kale. So pop the kale in, use your spoon to poke the kale down, close the lid and give it another warming for about 20 minutes just to get the kale ready, and there you go. This amazing, beautiful, flavourful, gorgeous curried stew is ready for you to eat. And let me tell you, this is a blaster. Thanks very much for watching this episode, and I look forward to seeing your comments below. Bye for now.